Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to buy Robux with Apple Pay. First thing first, we'll launch the Roblox app on your iPhone or iPad. Navigate to the item, Robux package or Game Pass you'd like to purchase. Tap Buy or Purchase, a payment screen will appear. Just all you have to do now is choose Apple Pay as your payment method among all the payment methods available. Now you need to authenticate the payment. Use Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode to confirm the transaction. And the purchase is complete. Once authenticated, the purchase will be processed instantly and your Robux or item will be added to your account instantly. If Apple Pay is unavailable or you'd prefer another option, Roblox also accepts credit or debit cards, PayPal, Roblox gift cards, Google Pay, mobile carrier billing, or prepaid cards. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.